The luxurious wash basins and toilets are recognizable at the American Club. Situated in Wisconsin, there also lies a beautiful spa that promises to get you luxurious pampering in the heart of the Midwest. The indoors include a gorgeous indoor hydrotherapy circuit, along with a wide range of services that include thalassotherapy, separate treatment rooms for therapeutic water services, a relaxation pool with descending 8-foot wall of water, hot and cold dip pools, steam rooms, and saunas are some of the conveniences enjoyed by spa guests. Spa services are just one ingredient of this luxury 5-star resort that includes gourmet dining and championship golf at Whistling Straits and Black Wolf Run. Spa guests may choose to stay in one of the 55 guest rooms at the Carriage House and enjoy convenient access to the spa. Book no open 8 a.m. 6 p.m. Monday, Saturday, close Sunday. 855-395-7638 Spa reservations. Plan your spa day. 855-395-7638 Group and corporate sales group information. 9203-7-4604. Lodge Kohler Group Sales at Kohler.com.